Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Now I am talk about how we come back to our hostel. After our orientation, we come back our hostel. Our host in our orientation it was in a Matikata, there in maybe ninth floor. We come back from ninth floor to ground floor. Then we saw our CEO sir, and we are very happy to saw him, and we handshaked with our CEO sir, and our CEO sir is very friendly. He took me in his uh, in his in his in his body, and he hugged with me, and I am very happy to hug with him. He is very friendly, and he also very smart person. Um, our our CEO sir is a very great person. He is very friendly with us. He always talk in a good language. We love him, and that's all of for now. Thanks to listening. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Goodbye.